Alright, what is up, YouTube fam? What is happening? What is crack-lacking? What's going on? Don't have anything special for today. Probably a short video. I think I said that a lot. But I don't have a lot going on. I am going to try to cook up some chicken thighs today. I got some chicken from my wife I need to get cooked. And we're going to throw that all on the pellet grill and the pellet smoker. But the reasoning I say I don't have much going on is because I don't have anything special. I'm trying to decide... the last couple of competitions I didn't do real well in chicken, so I want to have a good chicken recipe down. So I'm going to work on some flavoring today. Not going to tell you what I'm using. Might be some Holy Smokers rubs. I don't know. You just have to find out, I guess. But I'm trying to come up with a better flavor, and I'm not really a big thigh person, so I'm going to try to cook more thighs because that's kind of more the competition style instead of doing like the drumsticks and the drummies and all that stuff. So and the lollipops. That's what I was trying to say. So we're not going to do that. We're going to try to stick with some thighs for this next year. I don't know that there's any more barbecue competitions happening this year. I think we're kind of through that time period, that season of competitions around here at least. I know of one for sure that's coming up. I'm not doing that one. I have a grudge against that one. However, there may still be another one or two that might happen. I haven't really gotten word on whether or not they were going to go through with it, but that's still like a month or two away, so we'll see. But for the most part, probably over with doing competitions for the year, which is good. I have a little more time to get back to doing things. My garage is an absolute disaster. It looks like a disaster. There's a functionality to everything here, but it's a mess. I have been going through a lot of stuff. I got a new trailer. I've been working on it because I wanted to have a trailer to be able to haul my stuff around to competitions. I also need a trailer because I'm selling my other little truck that I have, so I need something to haul like sticks and stuff to the dump. So doing that. Also, another update. I don't know if you've noticed, there's something missing. I don't know if you can tell, except for the fact that everything just got real dark. I sold my Weber that was in the big stainless table. I sold that grill. I sold that whole table, grill, everything. It's gone. I haven't used it in a while. I've been using this other one, this newer one that I got. I like it. I like it a lot. It's mobile, easy to move around, that kind of stuff. So that's kind of my new go-to now. So I sold the other one. I'm also probably going to sell that. My Blackstone. I'm thinking about selling the Blackstone and the cabinet underneath. I haven't decided officially yet, but I'm probably going to sell those two because I don't ever really use it. It's kind of just an eyesore. I think I'm going to get rid of it. It's probably going to go. But I'll keep everything else. So that's a good thing. We'll keep everything else. What else was I going to update you on? We built a little sink for competitions. It's a wash sink and hand sink. It's going to be completely mobile. No power needed. No plumbing needed. Hopefully just going to be able to go and pour some water in it and be able to use it. Hopefully it works out. I haven't tested it yet. I got it done, but I haven't tested it yet, so maybe someday I'll go over that with you guys. But that'll be kind of cool to take to competitions, and I'll let other people use it too. Not just keep it for myself, but I'll let some of the other guys that I kind of run around with. I'll let them use it at their competitions if they need to too. So, what else? I think that's it. I think we need to get this chicken going though. I'm going to inject this chicken. I'm trying a new injection. I'm trying some seasonings, and then we're going to get these suckers on the smoker and get them all smoked up. So let's get after it. Alright, I'm not telling you what I did, but what I used, but it looks pretty good. I think so. do it different another time. Not going for a bit. Alright, so update, very humid. Hold on, let me fix my camera. Alright, so it's very humid out here. It's been kind of raining on and off, and it's still hot, so just as soon as it rains, it just makes it super humid. So had to turn the fan on, so I apologize. Anyway, I didn't show you what I use for seasonings. That was my biggest thing. I wasn't going to show you what I use for seasonings. I want to keep it a secret. You could probably go and guess if you knew what I've been using. You'd probably figure it out. But let's go ahead here. I'll show you what I did. Let's go out here. All right, turn the camera around. All right, so these ones in the back are my trial run, okay? And then this one here, and then all these are my wife's. I just used a basic seasoning on theirs. But if you look really close, look at the red coloring that I got out of those. Okay, now I know this isn't like competition trimmed and pretty and all that, but it is, however, the seasoning that I'm going to be using, and probably the injection too. So I just wanted to show you kind of the difference. And get in here. Ooh, it's really dark. And you know, I just wanted to give you kind of an update on what I've been doing. We've had back-to-back weekends of competitions. We had Shelbyville first. Like I'm sure you've seen my other videos. 3rd place in ribs in that one. Didn't do well in chicken. So that kind of sparked my idea of like, I got to figure out a better chicken recipe. Got to figure out something with that. So that's what we're doing. Moving on from chicken, or from Shelbyville, we did the Holy Smokers team in the ham jam. We did pretty good. We took home top hog, but we didn't take any notoriety, you know, in individual groups. But we apparently scored high enough that we still took top hog, so that was nice. But still, trying to think of better recipes, better seasonings, better way of doing things. So that's what I'm going to be working on for the next couple of videos. Just trying some different stuff and figuring out just how to get myself to the next level. You know, you always, once you get into this competition stuff, you kind of keep thinking like, ooh, what could I do different? What can I do next time? What can I do that could be better than the last time? Ooh, I could put this in there. Ooh, what if I added that to the injection? So that's where my brain's at right now. It's just trying to figure out my recipe and times and all that stuff. So that's what we're going to be working on. Going to be doing a lot of it. Going to be doing a lot of chicken because I want to get nail down my chicken. Now I'm going to probably do some more ribs because I want to nail down my ribs, even though I think my ribs are pretty good. Got to get those nailed down. Probably do some more pork butt because I think I want to try to work on pork butt. You know, make sure that's nailed down. So anyway, that's where we're at. We're going to let these things cook, and we'll be back with you. All right, so moving them a little closer to the edge here, we're going to do a little butter spritz. We're going to coat it with some butter. Ooh, it's getting hot on my hand. Some butter spritz. Good coat of butter. My butter's just going to drip down. Whew. Got switch hands. Switch hands. My wife's chicken down here and get her chicken nice and buttered up too. Alright. Alright. Got them all spritzed. They look pretty good. Woo, look at that. Doesn't that look good? Alright. Alright, let's get them pulled off. Man, they look gorgeous. Let's see if I can turn that up to. Woo, doggy, does that look good? Man, those look fantastic. All right, so I'm not gonna taste test my chicken. I'm not gonna take a bite for you because this is a somewhat top secret recipe mission that I'm sharing with the entire internet. But whatever, like, I'm just gonna go in, I'm gonna try them. I'll probably do some more of these chickens to try to these thighs. Well, I can't talk, but I'm gonna do some more in the future. Okay, so just stay tuned. We're gonna do more. We're gonna do some more trial and error stuff and see if we can get us a great chicken recipe. You know, something good enough to win some awards. So anyway, stay tuned for that. Click the links below. Sorry it wasn't much of a video, but hang on. There'll be more, I promise. There'll be better ones out there. But we'll see you guys next time. Don't forget to hit the links down below. Holy Smokers Rub Company. Go to their website. Use code NewbieQ10. Help me out. Help my buddy out. Buy some rubs. And other than that, guys, we'll see you next week. I love you. Thanks for being here. Peace.